Γεια σας! Σήμερα θα σας δείξω ακόμα μερικές προτάσεις που μπορείτε να χρησιμοποιήσετε σε μια απλή συζήτηση. Hello, today I'm going to show you a few more phrases that you can use on a simple conversation. I am Konstantina and I'm here to show you how Greek language can be easy and fun to learn the way I explain it. So let's start. Ας αρχίσουμε λοιπόν. Let's start then. Let's have a look at this very simple everyday sentence. I play chess and I like a lot to go on hikes to the mountain with my dog. Παίζω σκάκι και μου αρέσει πολύ. I like a lot. Να πηγαίνω βόλτες, to go on hikes, στο βουνό, to the mountain with my dog. Now, let me explain a couple of things here. In Greek, we don't tend to say, I love doing something. We just say, μου αρέσει πολύ. Which means I love doing something. Okay, and one more thing. Πηγαίνω βόλτες, as I wrote here, can be seen as πηγαίνω βόλτα, which is the singular version. And that means I go out to do something fun. Whatever that may be. So I translate it here as hikes because it's going for a walk, let's say, to the mountain. Ωραία. Next one. Καθαρίζω το σπίτι μου. I clean my house κάθε 3 μέρες. Every 3 days. 3 here comes in that form because there are three numbers when we use as adjectives, let's say, that have 2 genders. Masculine, feminine, 3 genders, and neuter, okay? The masculine and the feminine are exactly identical. The neuter is the different one. So, for example, we have tris and tria for 3. Whenever you want to use it as an adjective, 3 chairs, 3 times, okay? And τέσσερις and τέσσερα, which is 4, whenever you want to use it again as something to count with, like, for example, τέσσερις καρέκλες, 4 chairs. And then we have number 1, which could be either ένας, ένα, there we have, okay, and that's 1. And depending on what the word is following is, gender-wise, you adjust it. So it's ένας κήπος, a garden, or 1 garden, okay, and μία κατάσταση, a or 1 situation. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Είμαι οδοντίατρος, I'm a dentist. Και μερικές φορές, sometimes, οι πελάτες μου, my clients, are scared of me. Με φοβούνται. So here, when you want to say, I am something, and you're talking a little bit generically, okay? In Greek, you don't need to use the article a. It goes like this, without it. So if you want to say, I'm a dentist, I'm a teacher, I'm a lawyer, no articles. Είμαι δάσκαλος. And one more. Είμαι δικηγόρος. I'm a lawyer. Ωραία. Next one. Έχω ένα μικρό διαμέρισμα. I have a small flat, apartment, in town, στην πόλη. Και ένα εξοχικό, and a country house, next to the forest. Δίπλα στο δάσος. Okay. Now, let's have a look at the next one. Όταν έχω γενέθλια, when it's my birthday, I invite my friends home. Καλώ τους φίλους μου στο σπίτι και κάνουμε ένα μεγάλο πάρτι. And we have a big party. Okay, so these were the examples for this video. I have here some phrases for you so you can practice. I have a party. I work in town, but I go to my country house in the weekend. I clean my flat every 3 days. I play tennis and I like to see my friends every day. So now you have my examples, you have some extra ones to practice with. If you have any unfamiliar words or any questions regarding today's class, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you have any suggestions, let me know, because you might see them on the next video class. So, if you like learning the Greek grammar and you're thinking about taking your learning a step further and be able to form a conversation in Greek in only 3 months, the only thing you have to do is spend 1 hour per week conversing with me. So type Learn Greek via Talking and you will find me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will take you through all the fun details of my teaching method. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με παρακολουθήσατε. Θα τα πούμε στο επόμενο βίντεο. Γεια σας!